The brief for this house was that it had to be something different, but very understated at the same time. We decided to have a very monochrome palette all through the house in grays. Hi, this is Sonal Shetty Rao from Breksh, and today we are talking about our house of grays, which is called Furat, named after a holy river. So this is a gorgeous penthouse overlooking the valley in Manipal. The whole house was ripped down to the bare skeleton, and we changed everything, the flooring, the walls, the bathrooms, all of it. One of the greatest challenges here was finding the right shades of grey and making them look good together and not boring as well. The first thing we did was to take out all the old windows which blocked the view and put in new sliding folding windows which completely open out. The railings as well, we replaced them with complete glass railings so that the house looks like an extension of the valley. We felt this was a beautiful opportunity to make this into something really dramatic. That is what we wanted this space to be. When you enter, you first have this beautiful pattern tile on the whole corridor, which differentiates it from the rest of the house. My favorite part of this space is this row of crystal grey chandeliers that we've used, which add so much drama to the space as we wanted. So at the end of the corridor, we have this beautiful metallic console, which is like apt full stop to the entire space. We have this mirror which reflects the entire corridor. So as we walk into the living room, we have this wall which has been clad with fabric flutes. The lights used over here, we wanted something very sculptural and not typical. So we created this installation with these pieces of glass globules, which is placed at different heights to give it a very installation-like feel. The orange was a very deliberate choice to bring in some shock value to the whole space, to break the monotony if it got too monotonous. So the dining room, which continues from the living room, it has this gorgeous grey flooring. You see the mirror over here, which is a bronze mirror with grooves in it, which adds more depth to this whole space. The showstopper of this space is this lighting, which is a metal piece, more a sculpture and less a lighting. A really gorgeous piece. So the kitchen is done in an all black glass cabinetry. The hobs and chimney, everything matches to go along with the black glass. To add some more drama to the whole space, we've contrasted it with a very nice metallic copper backslash, which adds that texture and a very unusual material that we have used in the kitchen. This room, which is the son's bedroom, so we have a brown leather bed to go along with it. So this wardrobe is done in a combination of natural veneer and bronze mirror. So what the bronze mirror does is it reflects the space around, makes it look magnified. It also reflects the outdoors, bringing the outdoors in and creating the illusion of a much larger space. This is the master bedroom, where we've used a combination of natural veneer with the grace again. The bedroom is a bit compact also because we have carved a closet out of this whole space. So this wall is the back of the closet. So what we did is clad this completely with bronze mirror so that it reflects the space and gives you illusion of more space. Also, this again reflects the valley on the west onto the mirror. So making it look like you have the valley on both sides. So it's a beautiful illusion. So this is the daughter's room where we've used very soft grays with a little bit touch of pink in the upholstery. So the wardrobe here has been done in black lacquered glass with rose gold hardware. Throughout the project, we faced so many challenges and so many things could have gone wrong. It also took longer than we expected. There were also a lot of apprehensions whether the space would turn out the way we wanted it to look like. But one day when the project was almost done, the client walked in unexpectedly. And the look on his face when he saw the house, it's been almost 2 years, and I still remember it so clearly. The happiness on his face and surprise in a good way, that was our greatest reward. It made all the efforts and pain and everything worth it.